Let's test this plasma cutter on 110 volts and see how it cuts. Here's the pigtail right here, so you can go from 220 to 110. Just plugs in like that, and then you can plug it into a regular outlet, and the machine does the rest automatically. I've been running this on a 20 amp outlet. 110, 55 PSI, 15 amps. It tells you 110 right there. It goes 15 amps to 35 amps. 16 gauge. There's the cut, nice and clean. It zipped right through that. It cut that all day long. 1/8 inch. Let's see how it cuts. There's the cut. Man, that's nice and clean, like butter. Man, I'm impressed. These cuts for 110, not bad at all. 3/16. There's the cut. Man, nice and clean. It cut right through it. Man, this is mild steel and it is zipping through it easy. 3/8, probably the max you're gonna wanna cut with 110. Let's see. All right, so it cut that. I'm impressed. Cut right through that 3/8 inch thick steel, 30.1 amps. This is a non-contact pilot arc machine, which means you don't have to strike an arc. You can do it through rusted or painted metal. Just pull the trigger, starts the arc for you. 110 impressed me. I cut that 3/8 inch thick steel. Didn't think it'd do that, but it did on 110, and it didn't trip the breaker, which is awesome. So 110 did a good job, a little bit slower than 220. You can't cut as thick a metal on 110 as you can 220. You have to go a little bit slower, but you get the same quality cuts. Did a great job and didn't trip my breaker. Later.